Okay guys, so my name is Lachlan Travis. I'm going to be your trainer for today. Welcome to Pump Shed 2. And basically today I will be demonstrating and instructing you in the use of safely testing a bore level using a bore level depth tester, a very simple piece of equipment. Basically the idea is that from the outside casing of the bore to the inside column where the actual shaft of the pump is, the water level sits approximately about 2.5 metres down in here, and when the irrigation is running it drops by about 2 metres. The bore level depth meter is very important for taking a depth level, because unlike a dam where you can visually check the status of your water levels, bore underground it's hard to tell. So due to a dry season, it may have dropped below the level of the turbine if you're severely unlucky. So it's quite important as a pre-start check, probably every month or so, to check and maintain checks on how your water table is going. And it gives you an idea of how much water you may have, how the water table is looking, the quality, health and sustainability of your water tables. So training today will basically consist of, I'll give you a brief explanation. I'll demonstrate the task to you in normal speed and explaining as I go about the safety and key critical points as I'm going. Then I'll demonstrate at half speed, and then going in alphabetical order, I'll have each one of you come across and if you're comfortable, basically do the task and I'll coach you through it and then test and assess you as you go. You guys all comfortable with that?
Yep.
Ready to go?
Yep.
Alright, so, and you've read the standard work document I prepared earlier?
Yes.
Excellent, very good. And you understand most of the key safety and critical points? Yep. Alright, so to get this going, basically first things first, when you get your bore depth tester, you need to first check to make sure that there's no signs of corrosion from the battery leaking out of the battery compartment. So you just have a quick check, make sure there's no signs of leakage or damage. Quickly check your cabling, wires, make sure there's no splits or damage or any scuff marks or anything like that, which may cause a shortened connection and a false reading. Basically, you'll be able to tell pretty quickly when you turn it on, because there'll be a metal contact from the wire onto the casing. And you'll see a register on the gauge here, because you basically use electrical current to measure the conductivity when it hits the water. Basically, take your weight here, and there's the actual sensor itself, and using two hands, insert into the bore and gently lower it down, trying to keep it as vertical as possible, and basically feed it out like that so it descends vertically. And as you can hear, as you make contact with the water table, you mark it there like that, and then you can switch that off because you've got, there's the mark I prepared earlier. And make sure that is switched off. It's now in the off position, and using two hands, basically very carefully reel it in vertically. As you're bringing it in, make sure that if it at any point stops, jams or sort of gets caught, just lower it gently back down like that, and that'll help it clear whatever obstacle clears. That's particularly important with Pump Shed 3, because it's actually cut into the concrete side of the casing. It's not actually ported in through the top of the pump. Okay, so then we take the gauge out, very carefully lay it out. There's our chalk mark there, and using a tape measure, quickly go from there to there. And so pulling that tight. That's on the sensor.
Just here?
Yep. Yep. So that's 2 metres and 5 centimetres. And that's basically it. So then record that down in your notebook. And very carefully wind that back up. Just as you do, just check to make sure that everything is as it should be. There's no damage or cuts, nicks, scratches, anything like that. and very carefully wind it back onto the reel. So now I'll just go through that again at half speed, so you can watch that again. So I turn that on, no register, which is good, means no break in the wire after I've done my pre-start check to make sure that it's not leaking or damaged. Very carefully take it up and very carefully feed the probe down into the bore, making sure that I keep it vertical like that, and keep feeding it in until the gauge registers. Okay, like that. Mark it with chalk. Okay, as you can see, the gauge has actually basically gone off the scale, so I'll turn that off like that, showing it's registered. Very carefully bring it up and out like that. Put it out there like that, and yep, just pull that tight. Like that. Okay. Yep, 2.05 metres again. And that's that. So, you'll understand basically the process of the task. Excellent.
I have a question for you, Rocky.
Yep.
I assume, that you can explain to me, I assume that what gives the beeping sound is it, you've got two sensors there, is it the conductivity between the two sensors?
Yes, it is. It completes the
circuit.
circuit and basically causes the electricity flow between the 2 points.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. All right. So Ben, you feel reasonably comfortable to do this task?
Yep.
All right. Make sure that's off. There you go, mate.
Thank you.
Just come round over to there, and when you're ready. So, yep, that's good.
Machine on.
Yep,
Holding up vertical.
yep,
Placing it.
that's great. Use two hands to feed it in. Keep feeding it. Keep feeding it. Yep, that's good. That's good. Keep going until you get a hit. Yep, keep going.
Further than I thought.
Yep.
Oh, there we go.
Yep. So it's just making contact. Yep. There you go. Yep. Excellent. Well done. Okay. Yep. Switched it off. Excellent. So we don't kill the battery.
How do you, oh, you're just going to replace batteries?
Yep.
And charge it?
So using two hands, bring it up like that, straight up vertically. Excellent. Good work. Yep. Perfect. All right. Lay it out. Tape measure. Yep. Here's your tape measure, mate.
Thank you.
Alright, now, just so you can see, Ben, that's that sensor there, that's the point. Yep, okay.
2.05 metres.
Excellent, well done. You've done a great job, mate.
Thank you.
Excellent. Okay. Yep, good. Winding on. Outstanding, done perfectly. Thank you very much, Ben. Okay, just come over this side. Alright, next cab off the rank alphabetically, Colin. Alright, if you're ready to go.
Yep, I'm ready to go.
Excellent, mate. Alright, so first things first, you do your pre-start check.
Yep.
Okay, so what are you checking for on there?
The power into the item?
Yep. Okay, and what else are you checking around there? The reel?
Oh, well, for bites and
Yep.
mixing the cable and
Excellent.
that.
And the battery?
Battery's alright.
Excellent. All right, proceed.
Righto.
Yep. Very good. All right, using 2 hands.
Ready?
Little bit fast, but he's got there. Yep. You can just gently reel it in vertically. It's not so bad putting it in. If you lose control of it, it's quite a way down to the bottom of the ball. Okay. Yep. Marked off his depth. 2 hands. Try and keep it as vertical like that as possible. Yep.
Your tape measure.
Alright. So there's your tape measure. So you know what you're measuring from. Yep. Just put it down on on the ground.
Yeah.
Yep. So
2 metres, 150.
drop a bit. Probably the splash. Alright, as you reel it in, what are you checking for as you go, Russ?
Oh, nicks from the ball shaft.
Yep.
And just keep it nice and neat on the
Excellent. Well
come
done.
around.
Yep. Yeah, you switch that.
And turn it off.
Yep, because you can hear it squealing as the
Yeah.
contact has hit it. Yep.
Um,
No worries.
There we go.
Alright, thank you very much, Russ. Well done.
Right.
A little bit fast on the way through, but yep, got that general idea. Alright,
Quick as it goes.
Kylie, you're next. Alphabetical order. Okay, you ready to go?
yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so
Alright, first things first, what are you checking?
make sure there's no battery leaked in.
Yep,
Nothing there.
switch him on.
Turn it on.
Yep.
Oh,
Now you can hear that's got a little bit of water on there, that's normal, it's not a full tone signal, and you can see it's not registering fully on the gauge. That just sort of helps you let you know you've actually got power. Yep, okay, so very carefully. Now probably what I'd do is just turn that around, that way it'll actually feed straight up and not hit the handle. Excellent, okay, now don't, yep, line up with your borehole. Excellent.
Made it look
Well done.
easy.
Yep. Alright, now very gently lower it in, keeping it as vertically as possible. Yep, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Yep, just gently lower it down, Yep,
Still further?
Yep. because it'll go quite loud.
Oh, yeah.
Yep, alright,
Yeah.
now the top of the tube, mark it with chalk. Excellent, well done. Okay, now very carefully using 2 hands.
Oh, measure, yeah, I'm about to wind it up.
Outstanding.
I'm still have paper.
Yeah, it's just got a little bit of water inside the sensor, that's all. Okay. Now, yep, make sure it's down on the probe.
There we go.
Excellent. Now, where's your chalk, mate?
Oh, 2.6, mine says. But
Just, yeah, pull it.
nah.
Yeah, pull it tight when you're on. No worries. Alright.
That's good.
Okay.
And then turn it off now.
Yep.
And then I'll wind it up. Oh, this one.
From now on, you can do it.
I was going to say, do I add this to monthly reading? There we go. Thanks.
Okay. Now,
Oh,
that's good.
this one.
Alright, next one, please, Matt. Swap places. Alright, Matt. So,
All good.
all good. So what are you specifically looking for?
Some corrosion around there,
Yep.
and as I feed it out, or put it on, I'm looking to see, if there's any damage in the cable.
Okay, excellent. Yep, that's good. You got your foot there holding it in position as you go. Yep. Excellent. Well done. Okay. Oh,
Yeah,
Yep.
Doing
Good
it.
overhand technique there.
I've had to retrieve a lot of things out of toilets and stuff.
Oh, there we go.
Kids.
Yep. Yep. Okay. Excellent.
Oh, look at that. What did you do? Oh, I did it.
There we go.
Thanks, Russ.
Right, excellent.
Are all boards about the same?
No, the depth can vary according to how high the bore is actually above medium sea level. That's a good question, actually.
Same as the others, Lockie.
Yep,
2.05.
Excellent, well done. Alright. Good.
Put that in, Russ. Cheers.
It's all right. As a one-person operation, it's okay to just let it
Let it go on the
Yeah,
ground.
just probably not drag it 20 metres across the ground, but just gently feed it in with your hand like Matt's doing. Excellent. Well done, Matt.
Cheers.
Very polished.
That's already off.
I suppose you've done it before though.
Yeah.
Yep, that's off. No, you've got to make wherever you've got to put the probe to stop it rolling off. Yep. Excellent.
Ah.
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
Well done. Alright.
That's good.
Yeah, so basically the bore will actually, as sea level goes up, we increase in height. So pump 7 is approximately 11 metres above sea level. That's actually 7 metres deep to water. Now this task can also be done while the bores are in operation as well. The only difference is that you'll need PPE in the form of earplugs while you're doing the task, because these pumps are over safe sound decibel readings, okay? So basically that's the only difference in doing this, and it will be slightly deeper. The drawdown depth for this bore will probably be another 2 metres down as it draws the water into the turbine down the bottom of the shaft. But these bores are drilled to about 20 to 30 metres down, probably in that region. I'd say it's about. Oh, bore depth 10.18 metres. Is
And this actual thing here has been here since the beginning.
Yes, it has.
Yeah,
Yep. All right.
Right.
Lucky
Lucky
last.
last,
Yeah.
okay.
Okay, I'll just get you guys to come over this side, out of the way of the camera.
350 miles.
Right, so checking for any leaks from the battery, any corrosion, any nicks in the wire.
Yep.
Along here. So I'll turn it on.
Okay, now if you have got any nick scratches or damage to the probe, what should you do? What should you do, guys, if it's damaged?
Report, tag it out.
Take it out and report it. Excellent, good answer. Yep.
Yeah. And rightio. Turn it on. Make sure it's actually on. Yeah, there's a size. Right, so using the Matt Haggart technique, gently feeding it in.
Yep. Good overhand technique.
Got a question as I'm doing this, Lockie. I'm noticing these little increments of tape
Yep.
on them. What are they for?
So they're actually ½ metre and metre levels. Originally they work quite well. You can get a rough idea within ½ a metre of how deep the bore is, but there is instead of being ½ metre on the bottom, there's now, it's like that. Yep, that's good technique. Overhand, yep, bring it up nice and slowly and gently. Excellent. Well done.
Russ, thank
Yep.
you. Find my chalk part, there we go. Alright, nice and straight.
Yep.
Thanks, Lockie.
It's good, working as a team.
Right, okay. 2.06
2.06.
metres. Same as Kylie. Thanks, Russ. Alright.
Which would be true, wouldn't it, Lockie?
That's
changing on
wheel it
time
in.
there.
Thanks, Russ.
Yeah, the depth I got was 2.05. So
Yeah.
Sorry,
Yeah,
mate.
the surf club.
Yeah, surf life-saving.
Yeah.
I've got my bikini on, it's alright. Yep, turned off, so completed.
Excellent.
Thanks, Lockie.
That's well done. Well done, guys. Each one of you is competent in taking bore depth on a bore, so well done. Done well. So basically, you'll understand the principles about why we take the bore depth readings, how we take them safely and efficiently.
Mm.
Ben, Russ,
Yep.
Yeah.
Kylie, Matt, Nick, excellent, well done. You guys got any feedback for me about how do you feel I followed the training plan?
Yeah, it was
Yeah,
good.
Good.
Very clear.
You,
Yeah, it was very
you understood what was-
easy.
Yeah, clear, good demonstration.
Yeah.
Well
Simple.
explained.
So probably I skipped over going from coaching to testing a little bit. Some of you needed a bit more coaching, but some of you I could drop straight into testing, like Russ, Matt. Sort of I didn't really need to coach you guys to do the task, but Kylie sort of coached you a bit,
Yeah.
but you sort of did the task fairly well.
Mm.
And I'm saying you're competent to do it, with no trouble at all. So
Next month.
yeah. So basically,
Next 40-degree day. Out
Send
you go,
me out.
Kylie. Check the balls for us.
Oh.
You enjoy it, actually, wouldn't you?
yep. So done well. So the next step after this, the future training will be, I'll actually have to do a 40-minute session, and we'll be looking at how we actually program the irrigation system using the various methods available and actually operating it. Okay. So you understand what's going on next?
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
All right. That's it, guys.
Thanks,
Thank
Lockie.
you. Thanks for the demonstration.
Well done.